Rain came through. Didn't fix a damn thing. Danielson, Pike, black and slick. Mud rides high on the side of it. Tires cut deep where the road dips down. St. Louis stretch on the edge of town. Wipers dragging a tight line. Same damn rhythm time after time. Don't need a light, I know this bend. Been through here more than I'll admit. Water sits, don't run clear, holds it still, right there. After rain, it comes back up. All that dirt you tried to cover up ain't gone nowhere, ain't washed clean, just laid out clearer than you've seen. Past that cut where the shoulder drops. Didn't slow, didn't even stop. Know that spot, know it well. Ain't no reason I should tell. Pulled off once, just out of line. Boot hit mud, sinking fine. Left a mark, but it won't last long. Same as everything you done wrong. You don't dig it, you don't stand, you just feel it in your hands. After rain, it comes back up. All that dirt you try to cover up ain't gone nowhere, ain't washed clean, just laid out clearer than you've seen. Thought maybe it'd wash away, run off low with all that gray, but it don't move, it don't slide, just shifts around and stays inside. Rum don't clean it, just makes you look at it. After rain, same as before. You see it now, can't ignore. No cover left, no way around, just what you did, still in the ground.